This is where it all started. Robot version 1 built entirely from old credit cards. Yeah, credit cards. Because why use proper materials when your wallet provides free engineering plastic? At least it moved, but if you breathe near it, it also moved. Zero stability, zero precision. But hey, creativity was 100%. This is the kind of robot you build when you're broke, inspired, and maybe a little sleep deprived. Version 2. Now 3D printed stronger, cleaner, and also I used too much hot glue. And that's classic. It ain't better, but it still looked like it was recovering from a rough night. This was the first time I tried to mount the pneumatic cannon, and the robot almost yeeted itself off the table. Servo control worked, but wiring looked like a rejected spaghetti experiment. And now version 3, proper 3D printing. Aligned parts more stable. Base cables that don't look like I lost a fight with a breadboard. I moved the robot from button control to Wi-Fi. Moving around is not so smoothly, but better than joystick. Feels like playing a turret in a video game. Except this one sits on my desk. Here I'm testing the relay that fires the pneumatic valve. And now the fun part, a tiny pneumatic cannon. Here you can see several test shots and alignment adjustments. The laser pointer sits lower than the cannon, so I compensate by aiming slightly downward. Now it's time for the ultimate test, an empty can. It's a direct hit, but nothing dramatic. Unfortunately, screws don't have the best aerodynamics. For this project, I used a lot of code. ESP32 relay. Normal closed pneumatic valve, 7 bars pressure. Thank you for watching this far. What do you think I should use to make this setup more powerful? Leave your ideas in the comments.